Have you ever noticed how some of the simplest YouTube videos are pulling in absolutely massive income? Like we are talking millions every year. And the craziest part is the creators behind these channels are not studios, big animation companies. They are regular people just like you, just like me. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the same kind of videos from scratch. Even if you have never edited before and don't want to show your face, it's unbelievably simple. Take a look at channel like Cocomelon. Everyone knows them today, but what people forget is how they started. They were not some giant corporation, no big team, no studio, just couple making cute little kids song, and now they have grown into one of the strongest digital brands on the planet, backed by mega investors. It's amazing how far simple ideas can go. And here's the good news: you don't need luck or special skills. New kids channel blow up every month, earning thousands just from ad revenues. The audience already huge, the demand never ending. Your job, just upload consistent, simple videos. And today I am going to walk you through exactly how to make a full kids animation videos using AI tools without recording your face, without drawing anything, and without needing complicated editing skills. This is the same method that helped me scale to a full-time income in just 2 years. So let's start. We start with this song. Ask ChatGPT to create a fun children's rhyme. For this video, we are making the counting animal song. Tell ChatGPT to write it with simple wordings, repetitive patterns, clear rhythm, educational value, and ChatGPT will give you lyrics for your song. Keep the lyrics tab open. Now visit Suno AI, make free account, click create, paste your counting animal lyrics which you have copied from ChatGPT. Choose a cheerful kids music style. Let Suno generate 2 violins. Pick the best one, download the MP3, store it safely. We will add it later in CapCut. Flow will generate 3D style animated clips from text. This is where your videos get its visuals. Generate each scene separately. Instead of one long prompt, Flow works best when you feed it one scene at a time. You have to ask ChatGPT, please write animation prompts for all the scenes. Then you have to copy first scene prompt and paste it here, and Flow will generate your first video, and you have to repeat this step for all the scenes to generate all your clips for your video. Save each clip in numbered order just like this: scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. These clips will be arranged inside CapCut easily. Now you have to open CapCut. You have to click on new project, import all Flow clips, drag all your Flow rendered scenes into the timeline, arrange scenes in order, place them in this sequence 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Make smooth cuts between scenes, add transitions, click audio, add sound which you have downloaded from Suno AI, and you can add cute stickers just like star, hearts, clouds, sparkles, whatever you want. When your video is ready, you have to export this video and your kids animation video is done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Animals are all alive. Count with me, don't be late. Let's all have a counting day. 1 little cat sitting on a mat. 2 little dogs wagging tails like that. 3 little birds flying in the sky. 4 little fish swimming passing by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little frogs hopping near the pond. 6 little cows grazing on the lawn. 7 little sheep jumping in a line. 8 little pigs oink oink feeling fine. 9 little ducks quacking in the rain. 10 little bunnies hopping down the lane.
Now you have to create a thumbnail for your video. Your thumbnail is one of the most important parts of your video, especially for kids content. Bright, colorful thumbnails get way more clicks. Here's exactly how to make one in Canva. Go to canva.com, log in to create free account, search for YouTube thumbnail. You can choose any template, but I suggest you pick a bright kid style template. Choose something colorful, rounded shapes, big bold text, soft cartoon look. I suggest you have to take a screenshot of your video, which is the brightest scene of your video. You have to take screenshot for your thumbnail. Use a frame where the animals look cute, colors are bright, the scene is simple, nothing is blurry. This becomes your main thumbnail image. Click text, add heading, use something like counting animals, learn with cute animals, fun animal song, whatever you want. You can choose a chunky kid friendly font, make it big and readable even on small screen. Download the thumbnail, and here your thumbnail is ready. Now it's time to upload your video on your channel. Add catchy title, detailed description, kids friendly tags, custom thumbnail, and that's it. And just like that, we have created a colorful, fun, and fully animated kids video using AI tools. No face, no voice recording, just creativity and smart workflow. If you follow this step, you can start your own channel, make simple videos, and even turn them into digital assets that earn passive income. Remember, this is a long-term game, so don't get discouraged if the first few videos take time to grow. Keep experimenting, adding new songs, and making videos kids love. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials like this. And hey, if you want to learn animation, here is the description below. Check the link in the description. I got you covered. Thanks for watching Skillbot AI. Let's keep learning, let's keep creating, keep learning, and grow together. Thank you for watching.